In this video, I will show you how to create tables in Microsoft Access. Once you start Microsoft Access and create the database, this is the screen that you will be given. Now, from here we need to go to the design view. You can click this. It will ask you the table name. You can write the table name and click OK. Now here is the place where you are going to add the fields in your table. The first field that we will add should be student ID. Then you select the data type. We can select number, and the field size we can select from here. Let's say integer. Then you have student name. Again you select the data type. Short text will do. Maximum length of a short text is 255. We can say 50, the name size. Then we can have date of birth, and date of birth is a date, so we will select date and time. From here, under the format, you can select the format of the date. We want the date to be something like this, so we will select short date. Then we can add a field called address. This one you will leave it to short text and then leave this one as 255. Then we can add one more field, phone. Here we can again leave it as short text and change this one to 30. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields in our table. So now you can save this one, and from here you can close it. So now when you click this table, you can see here it gives us the option of entering the fields. So here we can enter the student ID. Here we can enter the student name. Here we can enter the date of birth. Here we can enter the address. Something like that. And here you can have the phone number. So here we have one record in our table. So this is how you can create table. If you want to create more tables, you can come here, click the create tab. Under the create tab you can find table. So once you click this one, again it gives you the same view. You can come and select design. It will ask you the table name, let's say marks, and click OK. Now in this table we were entering the information about the student, his basic data. In this table you will try to enter the marks of different subjects for this student. Now these are marks and we need to do calculations on them, so we will choose a number, and we know that these marks cannot be more than 100, so we can choose a smaller number. Let's say we will choose integer for this. So here we have a table of marks. We can save this one and close it. So once you click this, it's going to ask you the details and you can enter it. So this is how you create table.